No, no. I need something to drink.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Killing It with Keto. I'm Andrea, and today I have the most bomb recipe for you guys for chocolate chip cookies. So if you're interested in a really good sweet snack with zero sugar and low carbage, keep on watching. Here's what you'll need. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cup almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons Truvia. So, first things first, preheat your oven to 350, then put your butter, half a stick, into the microwave. Microwave it for about 1:30 to 2 minutes. Once your butter is melted all the way through, pour it into a room temperature bowl and set it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Now that your butter has cooled, go ahead and add your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another bowl. So we've got the cream of almond flour, the chocolate chips. Oh, we cannot miss one. No, get in there. We've got our salt, cream of tartar, and our Truvia. Oh, that is Truvia abuse. What am I gonna do? Shh. Nobody saw that. All right, give that a little stir. Y'all ever have fake sugar go up in your mouth? Like, I will literally be at work putting that fake sugar in people's tea and it'll get in your nostril and you can taste it in your laryngitis-ness. Anyway, okay. Now we're going to put our egg, our butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're literally going to give that a whisk. So we weren't supposed to technically mix in our chocolate chips with our dry ingredients, but they're there, so YOLO. So mix in your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients. All that egg, all that egg. And flop it around until it's mixed. So you definitely want to keep your chocolate chips outside of your dough because it looks like the dough is a little bit tacky if you keep the chocolate chips in there with everything else. But now we have everything together. We're gonna take some scoops, like maybe a 2 to 3 inch mound. Maybe that'll work. That's our 4th cup thing. 2 to 3 inches, right? And we are going to grab our trusty cookie sheet. Go ahead and put some wax paper over your cookie sheet and lay out your cookies. Make sure you hire the nearest Bebe's kid down the street to help you out with this because you don't want to eat the whole entire batch of cookies.
That's me.
So it looks like that made about 6 cookies and they're probably gonna be kind of big.
Yeah.
So, yes. Let's pop these bad boys in the oven. Not before we scrape the bottom of the pan. Let's pop these bad boys in the oven and see how they turned out. So after about 10-12 minutes, go ahead and get them out of the oven. They smell so good! And they feel like grits! Alright, regardless though, I keep touching the pan with my bare hand. Regardless, we are going to try this. Come on, Anna, come try it with me. Ready? Look, y'all, look at the melted chocolate chip. Here, taste it. It's going to taste good.
This is nasty.
It's so gross. Y'all. Y'all, no. I need something to drink.
Here. Drink this. That's some nerve.
How was it, Anna?
About as good as dog crap.
Dog crap. They look so good though, you know? Look, you guys, these are sugar-free. They have about 1 to 2 carbs in them, you know, depending on what side of the planet you're on and how high above sea level you are. But yeah, do not try this at home. It could be dangerous and
Don't do it
potentially toxic. We may have put poison in them. I'm not sure. But look, guys, I promise you I will find a really good cookie recipe and I will bring it straight to you guys. But that's all we've got today. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for actual delicious recipes in your inbox every single week. Go ahead and hit that bell so you get all of our recipes in your inbox every week. Leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys next week with a better video. I promise. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that's terrible.